Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations. Today we're looking at blackout curtains for bedroom. I've had the exact same curtains for years now. I absolutely love them. My buddy Watson picked up the blue, which he's demonstrating here. I have the red, and they're absolutely fantastic, and you can check out either one of our videos. They do come with free returns, Amazon Prime, which means free shipping, free returns, the A to Z guarantee. In my case, if I purchase it, I will get it within 72 hours. The fastest delivery option is overnight, and I will get it by between 4 and 8 a.m. The experts at Amazon are quick with delivery. Now, what's so great about this product? First up, they are fantastic blackout curtains. For me, I live in Florida. I like the room to be dark when I take a nap during the day. These do a great job of really blacking out the background. Now, there is a variety of colors. Probably, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16, 22 colors or so. There's the navy blue, which looks fantastic. A variety of blues, beige, baby pink, black, brown, burgundy, red. I think I actually have either the burgundy or the red now that I look at it. And there's a variety of sizes. 38 inches wide, 52 inches wide, everything from 45 inches long to 95 inches long. You can pick them up brand new from Amazon and get them shipped straight to your house. Leave them on the rod for a day or two and all wrinkles will be gone. So it's absolutely fantastic. Easy care, machine washable. I don't bleach them. You can warm iron or tumble dry. And like I said, if you just leave them on the curtain rack for a day or so, they'll kind of work their wrinkles out of them. There's a lot of different varieties and a lot of different options. They are a perfect addition to your home. Our thermal insulated curtains are available in a variety of sizes and rich colors. These blackout curtains and following modern minimalistic styling, suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, dining rooms, infant rooms, kids' rooms, office rooms, public places. So pretty much all the rooms. I will say that I guess something that I don't think about much, but living here in Florida, the heat coming in the windows is ridiculous, and keeping those windows shut during the day keeps the temperature of the house way down. If you live in a northern, colder environment like Watson does, well, keeping those curtains shut in the winter is going to help with your electric and heating bill as well. So also they come with like a little, I think it's called a grommet, Grommet, little metal grommets, 1.6 inches, fit perfectly on standard curtain rods. They slide back and forth very easily. They look nice, smooth sliding, and they don't wear, they don't stretch. They fit fantastic. Like I said, I've had mine for years. Watson picked his up more recently. We're both very happy with them. It says balance room temperature by insulating against summer heat and winter chill, saves your energy bills, reduce outside noise. I never thought about that because they're thick. They offer quiet resisting environment. I will note that I do a lot of recording videos in my studio. I have them in the studio, and it does keep the echo down in there. It says protect wooden floor, carpets, upholstery from color fading caused by the sun. So let these block the sun for you. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.